Wow, this is definitely different. This is not just your regular cable. This is soft and very flexible. It almost feels like it's an electrical, like professional cable. And got the USB-A connector here. We got USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. I like that it has this like leather strap. This actually reminds me of a heavy duty, really long electrical cord. It will not tangle whatsoever because of how thick it is. Oh, that's really cool that it lights up all these cables. For example, I want to charge this one. There you go. I see the light there indicating that it's charging.